Babes, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I'm so excited today. I was able to put together this look using my new Coastal Scents palette. This is the Joli Colibri palette, and it is just so gorgeous. I know I did an unboxing video the other day, and can we just talk? Let's just talk again about how gorgeous this packaging is. It is just like I said before, it just reminds me of a beautiful watercolor painting. The artwork alone is just so inspiring, you know, to create different eyeshadow and different makeup looks using these colors. And look what's inside. They're just so stunning, so much fun to play with, such just gorgeous and unique colors. So I just had so much fun putting together this look today. So if you'd like to see how I put this eyeshadow look using this Joli Colibri palette from Coastal Scents, then just keep watching. So first I'm starting with my Coastal Scents concealer palette, and I'm using the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm just going to use that as a primer today. So I'm laying that down with my new Coastal Scents brush set that I got, and this is the Orchid brush set. So I'm using that to carve out my eyebrows as well, and I'm also placing it on the inner corner of my eye right in there. So you just want to drag it all the way outwards, and you want to get it really, you know, past your eye so you can kind of extend your eye and make your eyes look bigger. So right about there is where you kind of want to end your eyeshadow. So I'm going to place the primer there today since we're going to put eyeshadow there. And just work it in really well. And just make sure you get in that area as well, right in there, in your tear duct kind of area. So here it is, the Joli Colibri palette from Coastal Scents. I love this palette so much. These colors are just so gorgeous and fun to play with. So first I'm starting with that very, very light shade, the lightest shade in the palette. And I'm pretty much using this as a base. And I'm just putting it in my transition area, right in there, up pretty high, and then flicking outwards. So I'm going in with that matte kind of rose color, and I'm starting it off in my outer corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna drag it upwards towards the tip of the front of my eyebrow. So I like to flick it outwards like that. I just love the way that looks, and it gives a really nice blend. So I'm kind of like just flicking it outwards with my brush, and then when there's hardly any left, I take it upwards in like a kind of C kind of shape, semicircle shape, up towards the front of my eyebrow. So I'm going in with this another gorgeous matte shade. So each shade is getting gradually deeper, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye by tapping. And this is just another brush from my Coastal Scents brush set. And then I tap it, and I like to flick upwards, and then again taking it up. So I'm taking that rich plum color, and again I'm just putting that in the outer corner of my eye, tapping it on, just blending it in really well. And I'll also take it under my lashes, on my bottom lashes as well. So now I'm taking my angled brush, and I'm going to carve out the front ear of my eye here, and I'm taking the tip of the angled brush, and I'm using that to carve out that area right there. And then once I get a nice shape, I'm going to intensify it and pull it down, and I'll pull my brow up. So this is a really pretty shimmer shade in the palette. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to put that on the center of my lid so we can have a nice kind of gradation going on. And I did put a little bit of that hot pink. I mixed them together. And now I'm just really getting the outer corner of my eye really nice and intense. So I'm packing on that pink. And I also did mix some black in with it. And that black is super intense. I really love it. And then I'm going to take it on my angled brush, and I'm going to use it to line my eyes. So instead of using liquid liner, I'm going to line all of my eyes with this black color. It's super pigmented, and it just glides right over your eyes. So I really love it. And I'm using my angled brush, I'm dragging it outwards so we can get a nice cat eye, but again, since it's powder, it's gonna have a different effect, and I think it's really pretty. So again, I'm going in with that really light shade just to re-intensify, and I also put it on my brow bone. So I went ahead and put on my lashes, and now I'm putting on my Coastal Scents number 10 lipstick. I absolutely love this lipstick so much. It's just a really gorgeous color, and this is the finished look. So babes, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial today for this Coastal Scents Joli Colibri palette. Like I said before, I'm just so in love with this palette, and I can't wait to put together more looks with it. I can't wait to reach in to those gorgeous blue shades, and oh my god, I'm just gonna have a blast. And I also was able to get the Jardin Bloom palette, which I'm also hopefully will be able to do a tutorial on this palette soon too, because I'm in love with these colors as well. Babes, I'm a makeup addict, and there's no turning back. So guys, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today and checking out my tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. I love you guys. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Love you.